Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we did end up getting that 1, 2, 3 wave move and a little bit of an engulfing down. But at this point, I think that there's a good chance it's going to go up more. I think if anything, this is like an A in here someplace. Actually, maybe down here. Let me clear that out. Maybe down here is like the A, and this is like an expanding wave B, and perhaps we're actually in like a wave C right now, or perhaps it's more of like a 333 pattern, like a WXY. That if that's the case, then it probably will go up and grab this liquidity right here before we make a move to the downside. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, I would definitely keep an eye on my Fibonacci retracement of this last move up right here. If this move down really is going to be a crescent, then it should make a three-way pattern down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. Then it should reverse back to the upside with a nice engulfing move to the upside. And if that does happen, it probably would make for a pretty nice long opportunity. Just keep in mind that the very high time frames are definitely down. And that means that really at any point, this could continue that higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.